Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix hacked Facebook Messenger account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the problem that you are having, first what you need to do is open up Facebook Help Center or Help Center Facebook. Let's just open a browser, and once you open it, on the search bar simply type in Help Center Facebook, and once you hit search, tap on the first link that is shown to you, and once you tap on it, it will be redirected to the Help Center page. Here, all you gotta do is tap on the option that says account settings, and once you tap on that, tap on the search icon on the top right corner of the screen, and on the search bar simply type in hack account, right? And then tap on return. You'll have an option that says recover your account if you think your Facebook account was hacked or if someone is using without permission. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here all you gotta do is scroll down, and there you'll see an option that says visit this page highlighted in blue color, and once you tap on that, you'll be sent to this page. Now all you gotta do is tap on my account is compromised, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to this login page. Now all you gotta do is simply enter in your phone number or email address of that Facebook account, and now then tap on login, right? And once you have done that, type in the email address or old password or new password, and once you have done that, tap on login or continue. Once you have done that and hit continue, the next page will show you find your account option. Now all you gotta do is enter in the mobile number or the email number that is connected to your Facebook account, and then tap on search, and the next page will show you accounts that is related to that name connected with that phone number or email. Simply search your account and then tap on this is my account right beside the account, and once you do that, enter in your current or old password and then tap on continue. That's basically how you can fix your hacked Facebook Messenger account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.